Imagine earning $55 for just 1 click, 2 clicks, $110, 3 clicks, $165. This unique free tool will allow you to make money with 1 click of a button. Don't believe it? Check out the proof! So many people have made a lot of money from this free and new website. And if you're wondering if you need any experience for this, you don't need any experience, you don't need any website, and you don't have to show your face. It is super simple and I will explain everything to you in detail. But before I start, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, where I teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Before I share this free website with you, I need to explain to you what mockups are and what a mockup design is. So if you go over to Google and you search for the meaning of mockups, it will show you that a mockup is a static design of a web page or application that features many of its final design elements, but it's not functional, so it features like a cup or any product with a logo printed on it. Now let me go to images, so you can see exactly how that looks. So I'll type in mockup. Let me just search for mockup design examples, and this is the mockup on many different products. Now you might be wondering right now how that's going to make you money per 1 click. Well, you will see exactly how we'll be doing that today. Now that you know how mockup works and what a mockup is, let's begin with step number 1. For step number 1, I want you to visit renderforest.com, which is a free online tool that allows you to create different mockups with only 1 click of a button. And that 1 click of a button can turn into $55, $110, $165, $195, and so on. But you will see exactly how it works only if you follow all of the steps in this video without skipping any part. First of all, you will need to sign up for free to this website, which is RenderForest. And they do have some pricing plans, but you don't have to use that. You can start for absolutely free without investing any money up front. Okay, right now, if you check out their pricing plans, you'll see that their free plan is $0, but you also have different plans which are up to $50 a month. But as I said, you will not have to pay for that right now. I will just sign up for free, and once I sign up for free, I will click on Edit Mockup right here, because they have to make logos, create videos, build websites, design graphics, and so on. But I want you to click on Edit Mockup, and then that's going to take you over to this page where you can edit the best mockups online with just 1 click of a button. You can add different logos to different places. You can have realistic looking mockups. So if you click on this one right here, for example, that's the first template that we can use also for absolutely free. You'll be able to see that with 1 click of a button, we can add different logos to different places. So let's say, for example, I want to edit this mockup. I will open it, I will upload an example logo, I will wait until the logo uploads, and this is how it's going to look like once it loads. Now I have my logo as a mockup right here, and I can do the same thing with all these different templates and all these different design mockups on the right-hand side. It only takes 1 click of the button, and you can download it to your computer, so each time you do that, you can potentially make over $55 with only 1 click of a button. Now let me show you one more example. If you go back to the RenderForest homepage, we can again edit the mockup, and then we can select different mockups. Let's say, for example, you want to put something on clothing. We can select these designs as well. Let's say, for instance, I want to put my logo on different t-shirts and caps. I will need to click on that and open up the template. Wait until it loads, then I can add my image right here. Wait until it loads, and that's only 1 click of a button. Then you'll just click Add Your Image, you wait until it loads, and it will give you a catchy and attractive design. Now you can download that and make money. But how do you make money by adding these different designs and by creating these mockups with just 1 click of a button? Which of these mockups would you create with only 1 click of a button that can make you $55 or $110 or $165? And how do these people from the beginning of this video form the intro? How are these people making tens of thousands of dollars? Well, that's going to be the next money-making step. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Well, there are going to be a few different ways to make money from those mockups, which are generated with only 1 click. And one of them is to go over to this freelancing website where people are willing to pay hundreds of dollars for each of those mockups. For example, this guy is willing to pay this amount of money for a mockup design. These guys are bidding for this amount of money, and it's probably going to go up and so on. There are like over 500 jobs created once you search on this website. There are over 500 jobs found once you search for mockup design. And this is over at freelancer.com, so you can come over to freelancer.com and sign up as a freelancer. So click on I want to work. Create a free account in probably like 2 to 5 minutes, and once you've signed up, just start searching for mockup design jobs. Apply for those jobs, and when people hire you, they pay you. And you just need to go back to RenderForest, enter their logo, then click once to download the image, and that's it. It's really simple, and it's just 1 click of a button. But it has the potential to make you some pretty decent amount of money, and you need no previous experience for this, because you can sign up to this website, freelancer.com, in less than 5 minutes and create those mockups with 1 click of a button with renderforest.com. The next freelancing website which you can use to sell those mockup designs, which you once again generated with only 1 click of a button, is Upwork.com. Upwork is pretty similar to freelancer.com, so you can come over here and you can see that lots of different people from all over the world are already making a lot of money with this website. As you can see, this person right here has made this amount of money. Then you also have a person right here from this country that has made thousands of dollars from this website. And then this guy has made a good amount of money as well. So this definitely works, and there's a lot of different freelancing websites that can render this service, and it only takes you one click of a button. You can sell this design and you can sell it as a service on lots of different platforms. The sign-up process is very easy. You can repeat the steps in this video again and again, so you will be able to earn the most amount of money online. So head on over to the free website renderforest.com and start creating your mock-up design using their free templates. Then go over to a freelancing website of your choice, create an account, then create a gig over there, and just wait for customers and clients to see your services. Do you want to learn how you can make money by copy and pasting on Amazon? Click here!